Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder sway present. Now, knowing how to do a shoulder sway already would be really helpful, and being familiar with a present from a move like something like an accordion present. If you've got that experience, you're going to find this nice and easy. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and easy and quick for you to find them and go back and review them if you need to. But the move, jumping in, looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, so let's break that down. Starts off like a standard shoulder sway. So we're right to right, we go back, we walk the lady towards us, we walk towards the lady, we take the hand up, popping it on top of the lady's shoulder, not using the lady as an armrest, but just connecting up to the shoulder gently. Ladies, you might want to offer your spare hand. Either way, the guy's going to look for it. And on this occasion, we're going to need to pick it up. I'm picking it up so the guy's going first finger between the lady's fingers and thumb, fingers pointing down is going to be perfect. So we now sway the lady back. We're going to sway the lady forwards. And then we're going to sway the lady back, but we're going to take the hand off the shoulder and bring the lady around further so she gets a full 90 degrees to the angle we were at before. Stretching the lady out so she gets a good arm line, and we want to hit a nice leg line at the same time. We could do a number of different things with it. If the lady's got significantly longer arms than the guy, you may need to have slipped her a bracelet grip to be able to lead this, because you don't want to have the lady trying to be led with her arms bent because you won't know when to stop. And then from here, we're going to take the hand up to the shoulder and bring the lady forwards into a step. We're going to bring her back into the present a second time. How many times you do in freestyle is up to you. But we're actually going to draw the lady away from us and into a return, all in one motion, and step away. So we're going to go straight for the return from the present. You could have gone back into the shoulder sway and exited that way, and you could have done a hand change if you'd needed that next. So let's do it from the other side. It's going to give you a slightly different view. We're not going to be able to see from this angle, so it goes like this. It goes back 1 to the shoulder 2. This is when we're picking up the hand. Sway back 3, sway forwards 4, present 5, back to the sway 6, present 7, return 8, and back 1. So let's do it together. Here we go. See if it's all working. 5, 6, a shoulder sway present. We go a back, wrap, sway, sway, present, and back, present, and over, and out. And that's it. Hope you find that one useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Doing those things means you get told the videos are coming out, and it helps promote the channel. So big thank you to everyone who does that. And music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.